All right, guys, another gloomy day in Oklahoma. Got Big Zeus parked right there. I've got my 275 filling up. Got the big guy staged over there. I'm gonna time lapse that driveway. So guys, for this job, I'm cleaning that sidewalk, her driveway, her gutters. Back here, this is a reoccurring customer from last year. I thought she was moving, but she's not. She likes to keep her home clean. So got my window cleaning system here staged, cleaning these back windows up there, down through here. This is the north facing side, so everything is naturally dirty. Last year I cleaned the deck and soft washed up there, but today I'm just touching up the deck again. I'm gonna fix that little board that fell off of her, and then clean her windows, these back gutters again. So it's about a 3 or 4 hour job, nothing too big, but pretty high ticket for this job. But when you do good work, guys, and you have a recurring customer, you can bump up your price because they know you're worth it. So all right, guys, I'm going to start with the gutters. You don't want to clean the deck and the windows or anything like that and then clean the gutters out and make another mess. So start with the gutters, clean your mess up. I'm going to clean the deck next, the driveway, and then the windows last. That's the order I think is most efficient. So all right, let's get going. All right, guys, first thing I want to talk about is having a safe ladder. Okay, I'm a bigger boy, so I got a 300-pound fiberglass ladder. It's heavier, tough to tote around, but it keeps me safe. Notice my stabilizer there. I do that to have this clearance from the gutters. You do not want to lean your ladder up against the gutters. You could damage them. You could rip them off to the side of the house. You don't want that. So I cleaned these gutters last year. Let's see what they look like this year. Beautiful. Nothing. Safety is important, guys. You cannot put a price on safety. And when I get up there, before I get up there, I'm going to put on my Cougar Paws. These are my Ariats. Not a whole lot of traction. I can walk this whole roof with the Cougar Paws. So I can already kind of tell the gutters are kind of sagging there. I'm guessing those gutters are filled up. I'm about to get up there and take a look. Yep, these are pretty bad. That's why it's important to get your gutters cleaned twice a year, for sure once. So I got her on an annual schedule to come clean her gutters. So gonna get these cleaned up. I'm probably gonna use my ball valve, just make life a lot easier. My blower with this will take forever. So I'm gonna get my ball valve up here and just get all this out. All right, guys, so I made it around the side here. There's my ladder over there. I've just finished cleaning those gutters. Have everything staged here. Go ahead and pre-treat this deck. She also made to rinse off those chairs, so they're okay staying there. All right, guys, so the deck's been pre-treated. Got about a 3% mix on there. I mean, it's already looking a lot different within a minute or two. Let it chill for a little bit and then rinse it off. All right, guys, so all the mold and mildew's dead. Giving this a nice rinse. See all that pollen, dirt. I'll show you guys what it looks like when I finish. All right, your deck is nice and freshened up. Got all those little black mold mildew marks off. Went ahead and rinsed under here. There was a lot of cobwebs. Your deck freshened up nicely. It looks really good. I'm about to clean your windows. Got my supplies there. All right, guys, so moving on to the windows. The deck cleaned up nicely. It was a lot easier to clean this year. Last year it was in pretty bad shape, but turned out nicely. Now I'm about to clean these windows. I've got my window cleaning system here. That's my pure water filter there. Got my spray bottle here, and then I got some solution in that bucket. What I'm gonna do for up there, I'm gonna use my squirt bottle, hit the windows, and use my extension pole and this ladder. That way I can reach up there and clean those nicely. And then I'll be able to rinse with the pure water. So let's get to it.
I'm gonna show y'all how I wash these windows.
Got my solution here, white vinegar Dawn dish soap. Got my extension pole here. All right. Got my pure water hose here. My filters are down there. Simple as that, guys. Those windows are gonna turn out nicely. All right, guys, so the deck in the back's finished. The gutters on the back are cleaned out. Last thing I have left, oh, and the windows are cleaned. One thing I have left is this driveway. As you can tell, it is in some bad shape. So this will definitely help with the aesthetics of the home, give it some curb appeal. While I'm up here, I'm gonna go ahead and just hit the outside of these gutters. So, and I'm gonna fix a step in the back. You do these little extra things for your customers, they're gonna keep calling you guys. Try to do a little something small. Those little small freebies go a long way, especially when you're doing a good job for them. All right, guys, just repaired the step here. Little freebie for the customer. She was super excited about it. She's like, I don't know who to use. I can just do that for you. Windows turning out good. Deck looks brand new. It was easier to clean this year because last year it was pretty bad shape. Ended up getting her on an annual contract to come clean her gutters, her windows, and her deck. We'll see about the driveway next year, but those gutters right there were completely full. But it's a good day, guys. $500 in about 3 hours of work. I am headed now to an estimate in Owasso, which is about 30 minutes from here. Driveway turned out nice. And then I'll see you guys tomorrow at the commercial job. Good morning, YouTube. Scott Lett here, owner of Pro Exterior Cleaning at this nice commercial building here. About to get all this cleaned up. I'm out here at like 6:30 trying to beat the rain. See how that works out. Pretty bad right there. Cleaning these sidewalks as well. Got about a 3% batch made over here, about 45 gallons. Gonna use my gas roof pump. I'm gonna test that first. Make sure my mix is where I need it to be. All of this is covered in mold. Pretty straightforward job. You know, cleaning all this concrete, brick papers here. And that's it. The other two sides of the building aren't even dirty. But I'm gonna go ahead and fire up the gas roof pump and see if my mix is where I want it. Take a few before and after pictures. See you all in a second. All right, guys, my 3% batch is working perfectly. You'll notice how it's changing colors. Maybe hard to tell on the video, but it's raining today, so it's helping me with the vegetation. I'm still being conscientious, guys, and I'm still gonna wet these after I finish. I've already wet them once. That was completely black. This is cleaning up well. I just put another coat on that. Pretty stubborn. I don't think it's ever been cleaned before. But that's why we have sodium hypochlorite, fellas. Looking good. you.